A and B are real numbers. Real numbers means real numbers includes all kind of number, positive, negative, rational, everything
Negative.
is real number. Okay, set of all number is called real numbers. Okay,
Okay.
simply we can say integers, rational numbers, everything is real number. Okay,
Okay.
within this real number we have one complex number, we have one imaginary axis. Imaginary axis means it has no value, but for
Okay.
calculation purpose we had an imaginary axis. Using this
Okay.
imaginary axis we are framing a number, that number is called complex number. So
Using a
imaginary,
imaginary number, we form a
yes,
complex number. Okay,
yes,
ma'am.
this is a imaginary number. Both a and b are real numbers, that is there is a reality in these numbers. I'm
Okay,
giving you
ma'am.
a bag of chocolates, I'm asking you to count, you can count, no? That is
Yes, ma'am, I
reality.
can. Yes,
But
ma'am.
if this complex number, you can't count this complex number, only for calculation purpose.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this complex number, hereafter you will study this, you will have this chapters.
Okay, ma'am.
Imaginary numbers, imaginary numbers means actually always this imaginary number exists with real number. It won't individually, it has no individual part, only with the real numbers it has value. Simply I am writing I means it has no value, but if I multiply this real imaginary number with a real number means then it has a value.
Okay, ma'am. Imaginary
Understand?
number doesn't have value on its own.
Very good.
Okay.
When it gets its
It
value,
has value only,
mm,
no,
when it will get its
when it
value,
is a real number. When
when
it's
it is
with a real number, ma'am.
uh, you have to make product of imaginary and a real number. That part has
Real.
value.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me
Yeah, ma'am.
what is even number?
Ma'am?
Even number. Even number, odd
Even
number.
number. Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Even number can be divided by two, ma'am. Like two,
Very
four,
good.
8, 6.
It can be negative.
Yes, ma'am. It can be negative. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6.
Super. What about odd number?
Odd number, it's not divisible by 2, ma'am. Such numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7. It can also be in negative form, ma'am, like minus 1, minus 3.
Super. Now only you are entering to ninth standard.
Yes, ma'am.
But you are so sharp. Huh?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. You know all the concepts about number system, right? One or two only you are struggling. What
Yeah,
about
ma'am.
prime numbers?
Ma'am, prime numbers have only one factor, ma'am. Like 3, 2, 7, 5.
Okay, now you made a simple correction here. Not one factor, it has two factor.
One and itself, right, ma'am?
Yes,
Okay.
one and by itself.
Right.
Okay, okay. I'll give you a task. Write all the
Okay.
prime numbers between 10 and 25.
10 and 25.
Take a page number 5.
Take page number 5. Okay, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You have to write all the prime numbers between 10 and 25.
1 minute, ma'am.
Wait.
Is it visible, ma'am?
You took that page? Page number 5? Slide
Yes,
5.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Write. You
Yes,
write.
I
Yeah.
that's it, ma'am.
11, 13, 17, 19, 23. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Go to next slide. Number line. Do you know about the number lines?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Number line. Number line is a form where we can also represent the numbers in
Numbers.
form of it.
It's like graph, no?
Yes, ma'am. Graph.
Can you can you draw number line for this question? 5 minus 3. Simple only.
Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for the answer, 5 minus 3 is 2, ma'am. So we are
Okay.
marking near 2, ma'am.
That's all. First
Yes,
you
ma'am.
mark for 5.
Oh, okay, ma'am. My pen is
Then
not.
you have, yeah, then you have to return back to 3.
Okay,
Not
ma'am.
3. 3 parts. 3 units you have to return back.
Is it correct, ma'am?
Mm. Okay, done. Then
Okay. Can we represent the rational number on number line? Yes, ma'am. We can
wait,
represent the
wait.
rational number
You
on
have
number.
there is an incomplete here. You have to mark up to 5. Okay. Then you have to come back 3 units. Okay. Where you are standing now?
2.
2. So this is what you have to represent. Okay. Rational
Okay,
numbers.
ma'am. Okay.
See the next question. Can we represent the rational number on number line? Is it possible? I'm giving you this number. This rational number. What? 1 by 5.
1 by 6.
Hmm. Is it possible to represent on number line?
Yes, ma'am.
You can get the answer. Just think. Yeah, short. No.
I'm not that short, ma'am.
No. Da. You should not
Not
represent
like
like
this.
this. In this number line itself, you can
Okay.
represent. Now I will help you. See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes go on. See here.
Yes, ma'am.
Value of 1.5 is point 0.2.
Point 2.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Point 0.2. Where the point 0.2 will be in this number line?
Ma'am, between 0 and 1.
Very good. So we can represent here 1 by 5. Okay. Okay. Now go to the next slide. I'll give you some numbers. You have to identify and identify the kind of number, type of number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
3 points is what kind of number it is?
Oh, it's a decimal, ma'am. It has point.
Can we say rational also?
No, ma'am. Rational number is in the form of P by Q, ma'am.
Okay, I'll tell you. You can change this format to rational. How means
Oh,
364 by 100. Now it is rational, no?
yes, ma'am.
So don't confuse hereafter. Even the decimal number also we can represent in rational number. As represent as
Okay, ma'am.
rational.
I'm getting it.
Okay, you can change and represent. What about root 2 and pi?
Ma'am, root 2 and pi. Root pi is a decimal, I guess, ma'am. If we write it in 3 1.4.
Ah, I explained you already, no? Pi value of pi is 22 by 7. That means
7. Yeah, we can also
3.14.
rational number.
Hmm. What?
Rational
Come again.
number. Rational number,
Ration,
ma'am. 22 by 7 is a rational.
rational number for rational number I explained you.
Sorry, ma'am.
This is irrational number. I explained this example for irrational number only.
Okay, ma'am.
Because after decimal, there won't be repetition of any numbers. I said no.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it is a irrational number. Root 2 also under the irrational part only. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Next
Root 2,
question.
root 3, root 5, no,
Everything.
ma'am.
No, yes. All the root numbers, no, they have this kind of values like pi,
Okay, ma'am.
irrational.
Yes.
Next question.
Whole numbers, I guess, ma'am. Real numbers.
Think, think and
Real
tell
numbers.
me. Real numbers. If I along with these four numbers, if I add one fractional part means you can say real numbers. But I didn't mention any fraction, any decimal number or for any rational number.
I guess it's a integers, ma'am. A set
Very
of
good.
integers.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you,
This
ma'am.
one.
Whole numbers, ma'am. The
Very
basic
good. What about this?
natural numbers.
Very good. This one.
Ma'am, it's a complex number.
Super.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. These are all some basic kind of numbers. Apart from this, we have cardinal numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers means um, 1, 5, 10. These kind of numbers are called cardinal numbers. Something which is multiply with 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Ordinal numbers. There are ordinal numbers. Okay. This also first, second. If you are listing with you are listing a number with position means that number is called ordinal number. Okay.
Ma'am, can you repeat ordinal number, ma'am? I'm not getting it.
Listen me. You are representing a number.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
but not simply as number 7, 5. Not like that. You are representing that number with the position.
Position. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
First, second,
First number,
third.
second number.
In this way, you are representing.
Okay.
That is also a number, but you are representing with position in the name of position. So then it is
Okay.
called ordinal.
Ordinal
Now
numbers.
you can get
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand.
very good. Nominal